This is regarding Google Gemini 1.5, and I just wanted to try it out that as well so that it will be useful for us to get the differentiation between a multimodal understanding with millions of tokens context along with the RAG. So the current popular trend is all about RAG, right? So we all talk about retrieval-augmented generation in lot of times, like whenever we are talking about companies data, whenever we are seeing about huge volume of data to be contextualized, and we need to store it in vector database, and based on that from vector database again we do a similarity search, right? So those kind of things and all are time consuming stuff. For solving that kind of purposes, instead of using a RAG, we can use a million context. Likewise, like we have a larger context window. So in the prompt itself, we can adapt this context, and along with that, we can try to explore whatever media we want, right? So instead of fine tuning a model, previously we were doing a RAG approach, right? So instead of that RAG, now this large context window comes into picture. So for that, actually, there is something called prompt catching, which was introduced by Claude. That is trending right now in the AI markets. After that, the current market is all about these large context windows, and that too especially it is trending with Google Gemini, because Google Gemini is having you to upload a video of 10 hours also. This is actually 9.9 million tokens, but Google Gemini Pro currently supports around 2 million token context window that we can use and play around. And you can upload an audio and analyze it, you can upload a video and analyze it. Means that this particular video can be split into tokens, and out of that tokens you can ask any question out of it, so that Google Gemini model will decode this video, extract this information, and process whatever information you want out of that context. Okay, this is how the videos work, this is how the audio work. The same way you can do with the text also. In text, it is supporting you to upload up to 2 million tokens. Okay, text, audio, and video. If you are having, means that you might have multiple PDFs, multiple Word documents, multiple tables, right? Multiple Excel sheets, right? So those kind of text processing, you can use it with Google Gemini model. Okay, so the green color represents that this is a successful retrieval, and if it is a red color, then that represents that an unsuccessful retrieval. Means that these particular blocks are not able to retrieve. So this is all about just a testing data out of this paper. So I want to showcase you a very good example of this. Okay, if you have some time, I will give this link also to this paper in my video, so that you can go through this paper to get a better understanding. Yeah, this is what we are talking about, right? So Google Gemini is now letting you to upload a complete code base, and out of that code base also you can shoot out your questions, like whatever informations you want from that particular code, right? So those is also possible with the long context window. Okay, so this is having a larger context window. Now Google Gemini 1.5 is supporting 2 million context window. So out of that, this is like 746,000 window only they have tested here. Okay, the same way you can put a document and try to translate it. Also, you can put some documents and you can reference with an image saying that, hey, where is this image? Likewise, where exactly you can match this drawing and an image. So those kind of information also is possible with Gemini 1.5 Pro. Because Gemini 1.5 Pro is a multimodal which is having the capability to use text and videos as well as audios, right? That's like a kind of a multimedia model. Okay, and here we have a video also, like there is a Sherlock Holmes video that is from 1924. So out of that you can get a long context from this. So when you upload this video, this is getting converted into 684,000 tokens. So with that tokens, on top of this, if you are passing a user prompt, then it can tell you the answer. And that too, what impressed me is, like, if we are uploading a video and asking a user prompt like this. So in this video, there is a scene, right? So there a person, he is taking out something from the packet, okay? And there is some information out of it from this, from the paper, okay? So that piece of paper which he is taking out in this video is having this much information, right? See, this is what model sent back as an output in that video. So it is having this information. You can exactly match it with this image. So this is what was that particular scene, and in that scene, whatever information comes out of that, then it is showing this. Okay, so this is having that ability to decode this. Okay, for our testing purpose, what I did was I just went into Google AI Studio. So this is the website to access Google AI Studio. If you go to Google AI Studio, it will look something like this. So here we are going to evaluate how Gemini 1.5 Pro is behaving for us. So I came here, I just signed it with my Google ID, which means my Gmail ID. Okay, after that, what I did was I just uploaded my own video. I didn't want to get into some kind of copyright issues or something like that. So in this prompt window itself, what I did was I just click a plus and I can tell like my drive. Okay, here you can go there, go to this upload, you can browse it, it will open the browse window. So when I upload this video, okay, so this is the maximum token count it was allowing me. So this video is about 83 minutes of length and 37 seconds. Okay, 83 minutes, 37 seconds. It's more than an hour and 1.25 hours video, likewise I can say. Okay, so this video is having a token of 1 million, 1.5 million tokens. It is having 1.5 million tokens. So the system decodes this video into 1.5 million tokens, that is 1.480699 tokens. Okay, so out of that tokens, I was just asking a question about this video. Tell me about this video, explain more about what this is all about. Okay, so what it did, it went into this video and tried to decode it and try to analyze what exactly the context out of it, and it is bringing back all the information. Okay, so it's telling like it's a Microsoft Teams meeting. Yeah, this is a Microsoft Teams meeting, and this is a class of my Python and generative AI course. So here the students asked the questions to me using how to use list, and we were discussing about Python list in this class. Okay, so it is precisely summarizing what we did in today's class. Okay, and I have shoot out one more question, like who all attended the class, who is the instructor, provide me some timestamps of key moments, because this video is having a lot of timestamps, right? So what it did, it just went into the video and it analyzed that information, because this one have been already decoded into this context window. So I am using the cached memory of this. So this is called context catching. So it already cached this context out of this 1480699 tokens. Okay, so this is already having this 1480016 tokens. So I still have 1.5 million tokens left out of this context window to catch it. So I have used some more tokens to ask this question, and this one went into this, and along with this context it just combined it and it produced me this out. So it's precisely answered that the class attendees. So I am the instructor of the class, and these are all the students. Okay, these are all the students of the class. And then it was telling me about some key moments also in this video. So it's doing a deep research inside this video, and it was talking about like how we were chit chatting and how we were discussing things. Okay, and on each and every moment, what I did, what we did. So those kind of informations it clearly explained. Okay, so this is to all about demonstrating the ability of Google Gemini 1.4 Pro with larger context window. So if we want to achieve the same thing in RAG, then that will be a kind of a heavy lifting, right? So it is just a video upload about, and on top of that video we can do whatever we want. Okay, so anyway, this is not going to get trained on top of the model. This is not a kind of a fine tuning method. So this is an alternate approach to RAG, and this is trending right now in the AI arena. That's why I just wanted to make out a video. Please do comment your thoughts on this video. If you like, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Data with Arun channel. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye bye.